But ऐसा कभी हुआ कि वो दरवाजा खुल
नहीं, alhamdulillah, because there's always somebody around. So क्या होता था, when she got really bad, I used to have to get a carer myself. There's about 2 or 3 of us. We managed to put her in my car because the other car is a bit higher. That one's a little bit low. I used to take the carer with me, and I couldn't console her, and she wanted to get out. And I knew if I left her, she would eventually maybe, get out even quicker. So I used to take her for a drive. मैं घर जा रही हूँ 10 minute की drive होती थी, 15 minutes depending what she could tolerate. And then I say, मैं हंसती थी, लेकिन किसके घर जाना है? तो वो कहती है मुझे नहीं पता. तो मैंने कहा ड्रेस नहीं है? कहती है नहीं है, मुझे नहीं पता किसके घर जाना. मैंने कहा अच्छा कुत्सिया के घर जाना है? कहती हाँ कुत्सिया के घर जाना. Then I would bring her back home and say this, and then she'd be so tired. Then she'll just go straight to her room and relax, and she'll not